Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic, and the magic today is Disney World. We just flew in from Dallas. We are staying here at the beautiful Riviera Resort. It's my husband and myself, and we are in a Riviera Tower room. So I want to show you what that looks like. It will sleep up to 2 guests. I'll show you everything about the room. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Book with the VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click the bell for notification to follow all my Disney travels. And yes, I am a Disney travel professional. I can book your Disney vacation for you and take care of all of the details at no additional cost. So make sure you contact me and let's make the magic happen. Now let's go in. We're looking at Riviera Tower Room 8819. Let's go see what it's all about. Here we go, 8819. Now we are doing a pre-stay to a Royal Caribbean cruise. We are going to get on the ship on Friday and thought we would spend a couple of days here in Walt Disney World. So this 2-bedroom tower room does not disappoint. Now it is quite smaller than a regular room, but just exactly what we need. So this Murphy bed is going to pull out to a queen. Here is the queen size bed that folds out of the wall. It features a Peter Pan scene. Check that out. So we have Peter Pan, Wendy, and they are all flying. I love it. We're going to be so comfortable here. And then this bed folds right back up and it makes a sofa sleeper. Beautiful. Just the perfect amount of room for 2 guests. I love it. And then we also have a very large bathroom here, which I'll go through in detail with you in just a moment. It is in the evening, so we've been to Epcot, we've been to Animal Kingdom, and we are back in the room now. So I'll show you the preferred view in just a minute as well. Okay, so let's get started. So right here is your queen size bed that pulls out. It's a Murphy bed, and then by day, when the bed is pulled up, it is your sofa. Now we also have the 2 ottomans here. They will open up so you can, hang on a minute, let me get this up here. There we go. So the ottoman does open up here for storage. So if you wanted to put anything in the ottoman, you certainly could. That's awesome. And then we have a desk here, which is nice. We have the beautiful wood adorning the chair. We've got our Keurig off and on lights here. With your Keurig, you're going to have green tea. You're going to have regular and decaffeinated coffee pods. You're going to have International Delight creamers and your cups. So no need to bring anything on your own. We've got 2 large drawers there. We've got a phone if you need that. You've got plenty of shelving space with actually two more shelves up there if you wanted to use that for storage. So that's very nice. And then over here, we've got your flat screen TV. I love the way that Disney has welcomed my family here. Hello, Jaws family. And then we've got our Hey Disney device here if you want to use that. And then they always love to welcome us with a little treat. So we've got a Note from the Riviera manager, we've got some chocolates and some water, which is nice. We're gonna watch the Olympics in just a few minutes. And then up here, check out the lighting. This is just so gorgeous. I love all the features here in the Riviera. Now coming on this side, we are going to have a microwave. Yes, you do have a microwave. We were just down in the lobby. They do have a gift shop with light food snacks. We can also look at having groceries delivered to your room when you book your next Disney vacation with Melissa VIP Magic. We can go over all of those details. I will help you out and let you know what I recommend for grocery delivery. Here is your dorm size refrigerator, which is nice. And right above the microwave, we have a toaster, which is great. We have actual ceramic bowls and plates. We have a can opener. We have a wine opener. So little touches of home. We have actual silverware here. So I see 2 forks, 2 spoons, and 2 knives, and then you've got some paper towels back here. So that does make it nice, and if you have groceries delivered, we can talk about that. You can have a nice little morning breakfast here along with your microwave. Very nice. We also have 2 more drawers here. These are really big. My husband's already put his fruit in there. Those are really nice for storage. This entire area is also storage. You've got an ice bucket here and then 2 more shelves. So very nice. You've got a full length mirror. Great. We're going to be really comfortable. It is a smaller room, but just exactly what we need for 2 adults. It's gorgeous. Okay, so let's go into this bathroom. The first thing I see, lots and lots of marble. How beautiful is this bathroom? Gold accents. We have a makeup mirror that's lighted here, which is nice. We have lots of plugs. We have bath soaps here from Disney. Look at the gold tones. These are lovely. We have body wash, body lotion, and conditioner here for you. We have our towels. We have our potty here. And then we've got our beautiful counter space. If we open up the counter here, the cabinet, we have our hair dryer and then extra paper if you need that. So nice. And check out this shower. The stand-up shower is huge, you guys. So it's a rain shower, and it's also got your body products here. There's a seat. Wow, this is really nice. Really, really nice. Lots of accents, marble accents. You've got your bronze shower, and that is a handheld shower. You can take it down. That's really, really nice. I like that a lot. Now, your closet, you may be saying, where's your closet? Well, it's right here in the bathroom. And let me show you this. 2 hooks here. That's nice. Now, we've already hung up some of our clothes. We're going to be dining at Victoria and Albert's tomorrow night. So you have your luggage rack here. You've got your Riviera slippers. We got 2 of those. You have more towels and washcloths. And then you have a steamer up here if you need it. Extra pillows and blankets. You also have a safe, and then you set the safe to your own number, so it will be indicative to you. And I've already got my computer in there and all other goodies and valuables. Now let's go outside and see the view. This is a preferred tower room, so I want to show you the beautiful skyliner, the pools, the fountains, and why you should choose a preferred room here at the Riviera. It is gorgeous. So book your next Disney vacation with Melissa VIP Magic, and we can talk about preferred versus standard. So let's go out here. I think my husband's already out with a bottle of wine, I think. So let's look. Oh my goodness, look at this view. It is absolutely gorgeous. Hi, honey. So Scott's already stopped by. We've got our wine. We've got 2 chairs and a table here. And we're watching the Skyliner. We are looking at the fountain here. How beautiful. And there's the Skyliner and the Caribbean beach over there. So this is gorgeous. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Book your next Disney trip with a travel professional so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe, click the bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. I love meeting you guys. When you see me at the parks or on the cruise line or Adventures by Disney, say hello. I love meeting my new guests and getting new clients who want expedited service and concierge service at no additional charge. So I can't wait to talk to your family. See you real soon.